Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. On this one, we're going to be covering a very weird day I had, and ironically enough, my first experience at Bombshells. So right now, I was heading to the shoe doctor, the shoe hospital. I have some really nice Converse that have been discolored from riding. But before I get to that, I was kind of rocking out at this red light, and this lady walks out with me and asks me to rev, and it's actually kind of funny. People think it's funny when you rock out at lights and whatnot. I guess the bike it's just a different experience. But anyways, I digress. I was heading over to the shoe hospital, and I was trying to get my Converse fixed, see if I could get them repainted, as they've faded away. But little did I know that the dude would want $90 just to repaint them, and for that I might as well just buy new ones. They were custom made. They have my last name on the back. They're designed blue and gray, just like my bike. So I kind of really fuck with them. But the bluish has faded to like a gray, but like a gross looking gray. Anyways, so yeah, let's cover what all went on this day. By the way, I am filming with my GoPro Hero 12 with the mod 2.0 lens, and I gotta say, it's exactly the view I wanted it to be. It's like the FOV went from 90 to like 100, 110. So I fuck with that. And I got off work, so I'm feeling myself. I'm having a good time in this ride. I'm excited to go and enjoy my day. And I hit up my homeboy, and I'm like, all right, we're gonna go out, we're gonna drink, we're gonna go out with the boys. But one of our homies doesn't get out till 11 or 12 at night, so it's basically midnight. So we had a lot of time to kill. So we decided to go to a few bars until he was ready to be picked up. And when we got to Bombshells, right? I've never really been to Bombshells. I'm more of a Twin Peaks kind of guy, but I've heard good things about it. I've been to like car meets there. So I go in there, and by the time we got to Bombshells, we were already kind of, I'm not gonna say drunk, because there's no way we were remotely drunk. We were just not even tipsy, but we were just feeling ourselves. And we FaceTime a homie who's at work, and he's telling us how his girl is like hanging out with another dude and smoking with him and whatnot. And I'm just trying to give him some big brother advice to that girl. It's most definitely doing other things with that dude. He's not really trying to hear any of it. I'm like, bro, I'm telling you right now, cuz, like, she, a shoulder to cry on is a dick to ride on. And, we kind of getting loud with it too. I'm trying to convince him to go out with us, because he didn't really want to go out. He's like, oh, I want my girl, blah, blah, blah. But we end up convincing him, because I feel like he can sense that something's going on. And so, while we were talking to him, there was two people sitting next to us. A guy with his wife and another guy who were around 27, 28 years of age. So a little bit older than us. And the guy with his wife ends up leaving. And this 28-year-old asked if he could join us. But he kind of asked in a drunken manner. So I'm like, this dude seems like he's going to be kind of fun to talk to, because he's fucked up. And, I'm all for getting fucked up and whatnot. I am, but there's times and places to do it. I would highly recommend that y'all never get fucked up when you're in a public setting. You always have to be ready for any kind of situation. And you have to be ready to run, ready to fight, ready to do whatever it takes to stay alive. So the dude walks over to our table, we start talking, we start bonding with him. But he starts getting kind of aggressive. He keeps on threatening to punch me. And I just look at him and I'm like, dude, you're too little, man. Like, it's not gonna be a fight, bro. Like, don't, like, relax. My homeboy is getting heated though. He's getting pressed, but I'm used to confrontation. I'm used to violence, so I'm here trying to calm both of them down. Because when he realized that like I had absolutely no fear and no like I wasn't taken back by him at all, he kind of switched over to being aggressive to my homie. By the way, there was a really nice Corvette right here. I wanted to race him and stuff, but again, it wouldn't even be a race, so there's no real point. But I digress, right? Getting back to the story. So the little dude starts being aggressive to my homeboy, and my homeboy starts getting heated. Like they start getting into an argument, right? And there's girls watching this shit all around us and stuff. And I'm here trying to tell him, like, dude, just relax. Like, the reason why I'm not getting pressed is because, again, I already know what would happen if I fight him, dude. Like, I'm a mixed martial arts practitioner. I've competed. Like, it's not even worth it, dude. It's not worth losing my fighting license. It's not worth going through that kind of stuff for a drunken dude, especially because it's not that serious. But they start getting into an argument and shit, and I'm here trying to like calm them down. And then he switched back over to me, trying to be aggressive with me again. And I'm telling him, like, bro, you too little, bro. He's like, oh, this MMA shit won't work on me. So I get up and I kind of start toying with him. By the way, there was a rhino biker and he said, what's up? And my homeboy right here almost hits another dude right after leaving the bar. So I thought that was funny. But anyways, he tries to be aggressive. And I'm telling him, like, nah, bro. Like, if you don't believe it, it's cool, but I have nothing to prove against you. And I toy with him. I get up and I fake punch, fake kick him, and I see that his reactions are not only delayed, but he doesn't know at all how to defend himself. And then this girl approaches us, this bartender, one I've been kind of looking at this whole time, this cute blonde girl. And we end up talking, and she's like, oh, I'm a big fan of MMA, I can tell you do it, blah, blah, blah. So I end up, talking to her for the rest of the night before we head home, waiting for the homie to get off. Cruising at 150 on the highway, of course, in edited video, definitely completely legal. It's fake. So the rest of the night, me and my homeboys just kind of wait for the other dude to get off work, and it was just a pretty interesting night. How random it became and how pressed my homeboy got. That was my